Lung 1 acupuncture point, also known as Zongfu in Chinese and Middle Palace in English. Energetic nature of this point is that it is an entry point, alarm or front move point, meeting point between hand thigh yin and foot thigh yin, lung and spleen. Metal is formed within the earth. The journey of the lung surfaces in the heavenly aspect of the body but begins in the middle warmer around CV12. Adjacent to a band of muscle, lung 1 can be a point that needs coaxing to reveal itself. This point is a precious place where the qualities of nourishment and inspiration, earth and heaven unite. Lung 1 was seen in some traditions as the final point on the spleen meridian. This point is a reminder of the Sheng cycle mother-child relationship of earth to metal. Middle Palace implies a place of richness as shown in this connection of spleen and lung, uniting heavenly and earthly aspects of the chi before the chi traverses the muscle upward to lung 2, cloud gate. The pathway echoes the fillings of the lungs with breath and gradual descent of the out breath, a gentle arcing shape. Middle Palace is the first connection with the incoming heavenly chi and is the start of a new cycle of chi within us. The nature of metal is to receive chi from the heavens and return to the inside, to the yin, condensing and regulating the pathways of animation while sustaining the heavenly connection, and all points on this meridian are seen with this filter. The lung governs the breath and is minister and chancellor to the heart, relaying the communications of the heart wherever the breath travels. Metal deals with first and last entrances and exits. The spirit of metal, the Po, the animal soul or animating instinct, maintains our automatic rhythmic process of life. Lung 1 is the first point on the receiver of chi. The quality of chi it is able to receive and process plays an important part in our ability to be present and vital in life. The Nijing mentions that in a state of health, metal endows a strong voice. Metal also deals with boundaries between first and last breaths, between where the hairs on our skin mark a boundary between one being and another, and between connection and disconnection of body, mind, spirit, both within oneself and with the heavens. Middle Palace as the first point initiates and carries all these aspects on the journey of the lung meridian. This point receives heavenly chi and inspiration and brings the reassurance of feeling correctly connected to oneself and the heavens. The quality of that inspiration will affect the body, mind and spirit in its ability to create balance and maintain purity of connection. If the quality of inspiration and respiration is weak or contaminated, then vitality and clarity will be compromised. Used when the person is unable to perceive quality in their life or future, or if they are grief-stricken, constantly disappointed or stuck in the past. Lung 7, narrow defile, can be a good point in combination with Middle Palace to help release grief so the lung chi can descend and allow a fresh intake of inspiration and reconnection with the heavenly chi. Lung 1 also reconnects with the richness of the essence that the spleen sends to the lungs. To function well in the world, both aspects are necessary, breath and inspiration, but also nourishment and strength. Lung 1 is the front move point on the lung meridian. Front move points become spontaneously tender when their associated organ is imbalanced. Because of this, some consider them mostly for acute situations, but move means to collect, raise, enlist, and the chi of the associated Zangfu collects at these points. Front move points are yin in nature and can be used in non-acute situations to nourish and strengthen the particular Zangfu. They can also be combined with the Bakshu point of the same associated Zangfu for a particular reinforcing and strengthening treatment. Lung 1 regulates and tonifies lung chi, regulates the upper warmer, tonifies ancestral chi, stimulates the descending of lung chi, resolves phlegm and clears heat. The lung often holds phlegm formed by the spleen. Lung 1 can also be used to disperse fullness and stop chest pain. The lung meridian originates in the middle warmer and ascends through the upper warmer and so affects the chest. It enlivens mind and spirit, tonifies and strengthens the lung and the inspiration of chi to clear excess conditions which have penetrated to the interior, resolve phlegm and clears heat along with chest pain.
Are sometimes hard to swallow. I'm standing on an island.